Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to duplicate diamonds in Minecraft Bedrock. This method is a well-known exploit that can significantly boost your resources. First, you'll need to gather the diamonds you wish to duplicate. Using diamond blocks is most efficient. Then, find a clear, safe spot in your world and place a single chest there. This chest will be central to our duplication process. Now, open the chest you just placed and carefully transfer all the diamonds you want to duplicate into it. It's best to have only the diamonds in the chest and nothing else in your personal inventory for this step. Once the diamonds are securely in the chest, save and quit your world to the main menu. This creates a crucial save point for the glitch. Upon re-entering your world, immediately break the chest containing your diamonds. As soon as the items drop, quickly run or fly at least 10 to 20 blocks away from them. Do not pick up any of the dropped items. The next critical step is to force close your Minecraft application entirely. This means closing it from your device's home screen or task manager, ensuring no new save occurs. Finally, reopen Minecraft and load your world once more. Head back to the spot where you initially broke the chest. You should now find a new, full chest containing your original diamonds, and the dropped diamond items will also be on the ground. This effectively doubles your diamond count. You can repeat this process to multiply your resources even further.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.